2023 onward, it'd be like the balance would be like 24,000 or something like that.
24,000.
Yeah.
Mine is 7,163 for the rollback.
Okay, so 14,000.
So then it would end up being that I owe $14,000.
You'd have to pay that within like 45 days before the marshals come. Otherwise, you'd be evicted. And then you have a judgment on your record for 10 years.
No, I definitely want to go before a judge and let the judge hear what I have to say about all things.
Well, I'm just saying it's going to be even worse for you.
It could be worse for me, or it could be better for me.
No.
So, I mean, I don't, at the end of the day, you're making an offer to me to reduce it to 2023. Everything you offer.
I suggested that we do a move-out agreement so we could avoid this.
Yeah, and I've been there since 1995, and that's my home, and I know no other home.
Well, you haven't paid for your home, ma'am. So
yeah, of course, we've had a pandemic, and this is the insensitive part, the way you come off like just now. Well, you haven't paid, ma'am. Well, there's been a lot of things that's been going on since 2020.
Well, what about the landlord?
Right, and I paid in 2020. I paid my bills in 2020. It was because of the fact that I was living with poop coming down from my ceiling, and all kinds of flooding that was coming down in my apartment due to construction. So no.
And this claim starts in 2021, so you wouldn't even be able to bring that up.
No, I'm sorry. I would be able to bring up the fact that the problem started in 2020. Period. It did.
It's outside the scope of the claim, so I don't know.
What do you mean the scope of the claim?
The claim is from March of 2021 forward, so that's what you'd be able to talk about.
March 21.
Yep. That's when your balance. That's when your balance goes above zero. March 2021.
The problem started before March 2021.
I know, and I'm saying that because plaintiff isn't seeking
that
rent
is the reason.
before then,
That is the reason why I withheld the rent. Remember? In March 2021.
Why have you withheld rent for 2023?
March 2021.
Why haven't you paid rent in 2023 since 2023?
Because I've been dragged out into this long process of being in court.
Okay. When we go on the stand, I'm going to ask you that, and you can tell
That's
the judge
fine.
that you have just wasting our time with the trial.
I'm not wasting anybody's time. I have defenses that have never been able to be presented, and you just want to slam dunk and end up.
I'm offering to give you 100%.
Not being able to hear the entire.
I'm offering to give you 100% abatement for those years that you had those issues, to reduce your balance in half, and you're not accepting it because you think the judge is going to award you more, and it's not going to happen. What's going to happen is we're going to spend all day in trial, and then I'm going to get a judgment for $39,000. So if that's what you want to do, that's what we'll do. But
I don't believe you're going to get a judgment for $39,000.
Okay, that's literally what every other tenant has said that's gone to trial with me, and
they all lost to you.
Yeah.
Okay.
I tried to be nice, but